Hi. I have created this VBA macro to check for any new announcements for my portfolio companies. The program comes in handy to check for company results, analyst meets, or any important company update. The program basically pulls the latest announcements for any company from the BSE website. Here we will quickly take a look at the website for notifications of Havells India. The program will pull these 5 announcements and present a link for each one of them. Now moving to the VBA program, here we see the code was previously run on the 15th of February on my portfolio. And it had fetched these notifications for the 5 portfolio companies. Each company name has an embedded link for the company summary on BSE website. While each notification has an embedded link for that particular announcement. To add any new company to the existing portfolio, just add the name of the company and the BSE link to the company page in this sheet like we are doing for Tata Steel. That's it. Now we run the program and wait for it to fetch the announcements. Here at bottom of my Excel, you can see the progress of the program. The code compares the newly pulled values with the values when the code was last run, and comparing these two highlights any new notifications. That's why we need to run this code daily to make sure that the previous values when the code was last run are not too old. This code can be further modified to send an email of all these notifications, or can be run in the loop after every 5 or 10 minutes on the day of the results to give a sound alert if the company results are out. We can see here Tata Steel was just added, so it does not have any previous values, so all its notifications are highlighted. Also, from 6 the code has filtered only 4 companies that do have any new notification. To check the new notification, all you need to do is to click on this particular cell and it will take you to the company announcement directly. Thank you for watching the video. Suggestions are welcome in the comment section. Hi. I have created